It is Tuesday, the 2nd of April, and you are listening to the English broadcast of Workers Connect Radio. We'll begin with the headlines. Major relief for Goa Industrial Development Corporation workers. Bombay High Court orders payment according to 7th Pay Commission. Supreme Court naps Rajasthan government for filing frivolous case against worker. Orders Rs 10 lakh as compensation. 5 workers killed, 4 severely injured in Puducherry after wall collapses on them while canal desilting work was in progress. Grocery delivery company Instacart to pay over $730,000 for violating gig workers law in United States of America. And garment workers protest for salary and festival bonus gains momentum in Bangladesh's Ghazipur. Now news in detail. The High Court of Bombay at Goa directed the Goa Industrial Development Corporation (GIDC) to implement benefits of the 7th Pay Commission for its staff and pensioners with effect from 1st of January 2018. Stating that it is the right of the employee to approach court to have their grievances redressed, the High Court struck down a condition mentioned in the resolution of GIDC, which stated that the benefits of the 7th Pay Commission would be implemented and arrears be paid to the retired staff, provided there is no pending litigation. The court directed the GIDC to extend the benefits of the 7th Pay Commission and pay arrears from January 1, 2018 within a maximum of 6 months. The Supreme Court has ordered the Rajasthan government to pay Rs 10 lakh for harassing a part-time worker by denying him regular employment and work benefits while pursuing a case against him for 22 years. The Rajasthan government had approached the Apex Court after the State High Court upheld a Labour Court decision of the year 2001 in favour of the worker. Gopal Bijawat, who was hired as a part-time attendant in the year 1993, was fired in 1994. In November 2001, the termination of his services was set aside by the Labour Court and the state government was ordered to regularize him. However, for 22 years, the government kept appealing against the order of reinstatement. 5 workers were killed in a wall collapse at Mudalyarpet in Puducherry while they were desilting the canal and dumping the debris on an embankment. The deceased have been identified as Bakya Raj, aged 38 years, Anthony, 65 years, Balamurugan, 38 years, Kamala Ganesan, 55 years, and 50-year-old Rajesh Kannan. The 5 were part of a team of 16 workers engaged in canal desilting work behind the Marapallam power substation. 4 injured workers are undergoing treatment at the Indira Gandhi Government General Hospital. The police have filed charges against the contractor and overseer under Section 304A, Death by Negligence, 337 and 338 of the Indian Penal Code. Moving on to international news, the first one is from United States of America, where Instacart, a grocery delivery company like Swiggy and Zomato, has been fined $730,000 for violating gig workers' paid sick and safe time ordinance. Additionally, the grocery delivery company will pay around $18,500 in fine to the city of Seattle. The investigation found that company violated paid sick leave and weekly off rules laid down in the ordinance for over 5,567 workers between July 2020 and March 2024. The gig worker paid sick and safe time ordinance came into effect during the pandemic and applied to food delivery network companies and transportation network companies with 250 or more gig workers worldwide. These temporary rights were made permanent on 1st May 2023 under the city's app-based worker paid sick and safe time ordinance. The last update is from Bangladesh, where the protest of garment workers for immediate payment of pending wages and festival bonus has been gaining momentum in Ghazipur area. Thousands of workers of Kea Knit Composite Limited, which employs over 8,000 workers, blocked the Konabari-Kashimpur road demanding immediate payment of wages pending since February and disbursal of Eid bonus and annual leave allowances. There has been a spurt of protests in several parts of the garment manufacturing hub around capital city due to delay in disbursal of festival bonus. That is all in this bulletin. We'll be back on Friday with the latest updates from the world of work.